Welcome to a quick Hallsome Farm video. It started raining about 2 a.m. last night. It's about 8 o'clock now. It's finally stopped for a while. But I wanted to show you the food forest. I know I've got another video of this where we put in flood control measures, and just wanted to show you that they are working. I don't know if you can hear the water running. See the water running over there. Let's see if I don't know if you can see the pipes and the water running through. Anyway, we got about almost 2.5 inches of rain in that period of time, and then it runs all the way down there, and I'll go down there and film it. But anyway, it looks like our measures are working, and I think if we would have gotten another ½ inch or inch of rain, we may have broken through some of our spillways, but right now, or some of our swells. But right now everything's held and contained, so I'm excited about that. Here's our newest swell. There's some tomato plants we just planted. Got a video coming up soon showing that. But this was a natural, well, not natural, but like 50 years ago they put this terrace in. I don't know if you can see, but I've got terrace throughout, and this natural swell here, and you can see it is also full of water. And there at the very end down there, I put a little bit of a diversion dam so the water would have to build up and then flow around, and it's working perfectly too. It's and I've got trees growing here and planting vegetables, and anyway, I'll make more of a film on that. But anyway, the food forest is working like it's supposed to. It's trapping and holding water, and so that's pretty exciting. Well, we got 2.5 inches of rain over the night. A little bit faster, I guess, than the ground could absorb. Look at how fast this is. This is almost to capacity here. The pipes have kicked in and they're draining. So yeah, the water I'm draining, let's see if draining down into the creek. Excuse me. Yet water goes all the way up around and comes back to the other side. It's draining through the creek there. And I just took a picture. This is all flooded. There's the food forest up there, and each one is completely full and draining as fast as it can. So it's good though. We can always use extra moisture here, but I made a video before of us putting in all these flood control measures, and this time it looks like it worked. I think if we would have had more rain, this wouldn't have been, we may have had some swells break, but as it is, it all held and it's working as we designed. But I think we're pretty much at capacity here. But that'll give us some good water for a while. I don't know if you can see way down there. Let me focus in. All that up there, that's all garlic growing. We harvested last year, but this year it's growing back in abundance, all volunteer. I don't know how that happened, but we're pretty excited about that. Anyway, that's just want to show you here on the farm, little quick update that things are functioning as they're supposed to, which is really healthy. So anyway, appreciate you watching our videos here. If you haven't subscribed, please, and share us on Facebook. We really appreciate that. And you can see all these fruit trees in the food forest, and they've all blossomed. In fact, this one here, let me show you real quick. I don't know if you can see. Can you tell? We planted this one just about 6 months ago, and look at it's already got peaches growing on it. Even my more established trees don't have peaches on them yet, although they flowered. So we're pretty excited this year. We had a really cold winter, and we're expecting finally to get fruit. Last year we didn't get any fruit, it was so warm. But this year we're doing much better. Anyway, just a quick update. Thanks for watching.